Rallies, poster campaigns and cleaning drives have been the main tools worldwide for environment warriors to fight various battles in safeguarding the environment. But the initiative undertaken by the district administration and locals of Ri-Bhoi District for the cause of the environment is something which is unheard of and definitely ensures a lot of fun. We have a report.
It was unlike any other day for the anglers of Ri-Bhoi District and perhaps the first of its kind in their years of fishing, as the venue for the fishing competition was the main market called Iewmalong of Ri-Bhoi District, and the catch to go for was not fish but garbage. Turning one of the most popular part-time activities of the people of the state into a collective effort to fight waste, the Urban Affairs Infrastructure Development organized the garbage fishing competition at Nongpoh Main Market, where over 100 anglers participated.
Program ni kalong ba in ai ka awareness na palinta kinong song sunong jongi ba kimdi ban brek pakhari plastik ki balong ka jingma omtang ya ka wa lanu wat ya ka kendo ka siap long maju.
It was a sight unlike any as the anglers lined up along the huge drain and started fishing out the garbage. The spectators cheered as the competition got intense and more garbage were fished out of the drain. Experiencing such event for the first time ever, the crowd as well as those participating had something new to witness, experience and passed on the message of solid waste management.
Competition but why plastic
The end result was rewarding not just for the participants who received cash prize but also for the environment, as a huge chunk of garbage that would have otherwise remained unattended to was fished out through this creative initiative, besides the message on solid waste management that got across to the people of the area. Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.